Our background here at Schulz Logistics has always been in trucking, and I think that sets us apart from our competitors. It also helps us be a great intermediary and work with our carriers and help them be more successful and understand the challenges that they're facing. At Schulz Logistics, we offer a number of different carrier benefits, and Quick Pay is one of those that we offer. Quick Pay is an important service to offer our carriers because every carrier is different. Everybody's cash flow is different. They need to be able to have an option that is going to work for their specific needs. Schulz Logistics Quick Pay offerings are competitive with industry standards. And our commitment to Quick Pay helps carriers get paid when they need. If they have bills that are due now, they have that flexibility to get paid next day with us after delivering a load. At Schulz Logistics, we need successful carriers to be successful ourselves. The more successful they are, the more efficient they are, the more they grow, and the more opportunities they can take advantage of with us.